Welcome to the funeral program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized and loving memory keepsake products. In this video, we will share how to make a memorial card. Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Doing so enables us to continue making valuable content to equip you during a time of loss. A memorial card is the smallest style of program you can create and distribute at any funeral service. It is a great choice for those who want to provide a smaller printed memorial. The size of the folded card measures 4.25 inches by 5.5 inches and folds directly down the center. It can be printed on a thicker paper such as a cardstock or heavier text weight paper. To make a memorial card, you can either create it from scratch or use a memorial card template. Although making it from scratch is the cost-effective option, there is more setup work involved prior to beginning your program. Because of the smaller sizing, memorial cards are set up in a software document with 2 cards per sheet. You will need to determine the fold lines for the card and set it within the software you will be using. Because there are 2 cards on each sheet, you will also need to do everything in duplicate. It is important that you are very familiar with the software prior to starting your layout, to avoid or minimize any technical issues that may arise. The setup time can be time-consuming and complicated. Utilizing a memorial card template will bypass the necessary setup steps and is your best option. We recommend the funeral program site, which offers ready-made memorial card templates available for immediate download. The technical setup and background design is already done, so all you need to do is begin entering your text and photos. Visit our online superstore to see our entire collection of DIY templates for memorial cards, as well as other styles, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.